trips are some of the most exciting experiences for students, full of adventure, learning, and fun with friends. Whether it's a day excursion to a museum or a week-long adventure in another state, being prepared can make the experience even better. That's why we've put together this list of the 10 best things to bring on a school trip. These essentials will help you stay organized, comfortable, and ready for whatever the journey throws your way. 10. Reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is essential, especially when you're out exploring for hours. A reusable water bottle is not only eco-friendly, but also saves you from constantly having to buy plastic bottles. Look for a leak-proof insulated one that can keep drinks cold all day. Bonus if it clips onto a backpack, so it's always within reach. 9. Healthy snacks. Field trips can involve long bus rides or packed schedules that don't always align with your hunger. Packing a few healthy snacks like granola bars, fruit, trail mix, or crackers can give you the energy boost you need to stay focused and have fun. Just be sure to choose items that don't spoil easily or make a mess. Number 8. Small backpack or day pack. A compact, comfortable backpack is the best way to carry all your trip essentials. It should be big enough to hold your water bottle, snacks, and other items on this list, but small enough to carry all day without straining your back. Look for one with multiple compartments to keep things organized and easy to access. 7. Phone charger or power bank. Whether you're snapping photos, using a map, or staying in touch with your group, a dead phone battery is the last thing you want. A portable power bank ensures you'll always have enough charge. Just make sure to bring a charging cable that's compatible with your phone, and maybe even a wall plug just in case you find an outlet. Number 6. Notepad and pen. A school trip isn't just about fun, it's about learning too. Bringing a small notepad and pen can be handy for jotting down interesting facts, sketching a museum exhibit, or taking notes for an assignment later. You never know when inspiration will strike or when your teacher will ask you to write something down. 5. Weather-appropriate clothing. Check the forecast ahead of time and pack accordingly. If it's sunny, bring a hat and sunglasses. If rain is expected, toss in a compact umbrella or a lightweight rain jacket. Layers are always a good idea, especially for unpredictable weather or chilly bus rides. Comfortable walking shoes are also a must. You'll likely be on your feet most of the day. 4. Personal hygiene items. Travel-sized essentials like hand sanitizer, tissues, and wet wipes are a lifesaver during long trips. You'll appreciate them when restrooms run out of soap or you need to freshen up after a snack. A small pack of gum or mints can also help keep you feeling clean and refreshed. 3. Identification and emergency info. Even though you're traveling with a group, it's smart to carry some form of ID and emergency contact info. This could be your school ID card, a copy of your health insurance, or a note with your name, your teacher's contact info, and emergency numbers. Put it in a safe spot in your backpack just in case it's ever needed. 2. Money for souvenirs or snacks. A little spending money can go a long way on a school trip. Whether you want to grab an extra snack, buy a small souvenir, or tip a guide, a few dollars in cash can be very helpful. Keep it in a secure place like a zipped wallet or hidden pocket, and don't bring too much, just enough for the day. 1. Positive attitude and curiosity. This may not be something you pack in your bag, but it's the most important thing to bring. A school trip is a chance to explore new places, try new things, and build memories with friends. Bring your best attitude, be respectful, ask questions, and soak in the experience. The more curious and engaged you are, the more rewarding the trip will be. And there you have it. With a little planning and the right gear, your next adventure can be stress-free and full of fun. Did we miss anything? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe and unleash your wanderlust by watching our latest video. Have a great day!